Hidden features of popular apps you never knew existed. Hey guys, welcome back. So, there are so many different features that we are unaware of our mostly used apps, and you can easily access these features and be able to improve your productivity as well as use your apps to their fullest. Now, one of the most important features comes directly from your phone, and that is if you go into your control panel and you click on your torch. Obviously, that turns on your torch. But if you actually do a long press, you can adjust the brightness of your torch as well. And after that, if you go on ahead and turn off your torch, let's say you want to set a timer. Now, if you want to set a timer without having to open up your clock, you can follow the same process. Just open up your control panel, go into timer, and do a long press. This enables you to set a timer of upwards of 2 hours and from 1 minute. Now, with every phone, you have its unique features. And if you're someone that is going to be using your map a lot, you might be using while you're driving. So if you are using your map while you are driving, you might want to get access to the map without using both of your hands to zoom in and out. Well, if you want to zoom in and out of your map, you can easily do that with a double swipe from your right. So instead of having to swipe with both of your fingers like this, you can actually just do a single swipe from one hand like this, and this will actually enable you to zoom in. Now, other than that, there are a lot of other features as well. And if you are trying to hang up on someone and you don't know if you can hang up on them or not, well, if you want to hang up on someone without letting them know that you just hung up on them, you can turn on airplane mode, and turning on airplane mode actually makes it show as if your signals or connectivity dropped and you didn't actually cut the phone. So you can hang up on anyone that you want, and you can just pretend that you didn't hear them. Now, if you're looking for an alarm that can wake you up in a very quick and easy manner, you can always download the Alarmy app. The Alarmy app is a app that enables you to only wake up after you put a picture of something. So if you set a picture of your toy that you keep on the other side of the room, it's not going to turn off the alarm until you post a picture on the Alarmy app of that particular toy. This could be anything. This could be a picture of yourself. This could be a picture of your toothbrush. And that can be a great way to make sure that you are staying up at the right time in the morning. Now, another very common feature that a lot of people have no idea about is the WhatsApp feature of sending yourself messages. You can actually send yourself a message to make it easier for you to keep track of things that you might want. And this can include messages on WhatsApp as well as documents, pictures that you can send and then share across your own devices. And when it comes to WhatsApp hacks, there are some more as well. If you want to make any of your text on WhatsApp italic, which a lot of people don't realize that you can do, you can easily go into WhatsApp and then type in underscore, type in whatever text you want. Hi, I'm Jane. And then type in another underscore. This will post italic text. So you guys can see now I have italic text. And in the same way, if you are looking for bold text, you can do that as well. Go into WhatsApp and press the star icon. Write whatever text you want, like this, and then type another star icon. Now, if you do this, it's not going to bold your text, but if you do it without any gaps, so hi, I'm Jane, like this, without leaving a space, then it's going to make your text bold. So you can choose how you want to place your text within WhatsApp. And this can help you in emphasizing your point or seeming quite a lot sassy. Now, you can also set up a lot of accessibility tools to make sure that your phone is optimized to you. So for this application, just go into settings and then go into accessibility. Now, if you go into accessibility, like over here, you can click on set up assistive access. Now you can customize a lot of different options over here. And if you go into accessibility, you can even optimize certain motions and text. So you can go into motions over here. And you can also reduce the motion that you have, as well as set up your voice control and touch options, such as haptic touch, as well as touch accommodations, and your undo options. So if I just shake my phone, it will undo the last change that I made. I can also tap or swipe to wake my phone, as well as set up a double tap to open up the particular application I want for my phone. Now, another amazing hack that you don't get to see a lot is that you can go into WhatsApp and you can actually create a shortcut of your particular favorite conversation into your home screen and have the home screen widget or a home screen application have a shortcut over here. So you can go into widgets and you can set up a widget for your particular WhatsApp conversation that you really like. Now, another great hack is to reduce the storage that you have in your phone, and that is by going into your particular albums and then just click on duplicates. So just go and then click on duplicates over here, and then you can go on ahead and select all of these. You can just select all of these and then go on ahead and click on merge to merge the exact copies that you have. And then in this way, you can reduce the amount of images that you have with your particular storage. Now, moving on, let's take a look at some of the other application hacks that you have. Well, if you want, you can always set up a QR code for your password on your particular home Wi-Fi, which can be a great offering for your guests so they never have to ask for your password. Plus, if you are going to screenshot a web page, so let's say I have searched for cats over here, and I go ahead and screenshot this. Now, instead of having to take all the information from the image, I can actually click on the screenshot and then click on full image over here. And then this gives me access to the entire web page. I don't have to take the entire web page. I have access to all of the entire web page. And this can be a great tool to use when you are just trying to share some info. Now, another amazing web browsing tool that a lot of people don't realize is that if you've opened up a tab in Google and you want to open up a new tab, simply do a swipe motion from the right to the left, and this will open up a new tab for you. So you can open up as many tabs as you want, and you can navigate through tabs as well, like so. Now, in terms of some other application hacks, you can always go into Instagram and you can add a new account directly into your Instagram application without having to download any duplicates. So just click on the bottom and then do a long press, and then you can click on Add Instagram account to add a new account. And did you know that WhatsApp now has changeable messages? So if you go into WhatsApp over here and you want to change a text that you sent, well, within the first 15 minutes of you sending a text, you can click on that text over here, do a long press on your text, and then click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can change your text. So, hi, I'm Janet. Let's say I changed my name. And just like that, you can edit your texts on WhatsApp as well. And if you are someone that is tired and trying to reduce your screen time or have your assistant read articles aloud, you can use the speak screen command in a way that is going to enable you to have your own personalized radio to read everything for you. And these were just some of the basic tips and tricks of using your most commonly used applications. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.